Hello everyone, in today's video we'll show you how to hide all the desktop icons on Windows 10. So at some point you might have too many desktop icons and you want to hide them during a presentation, or you just want to hide them because they are blocking your wallpaper. It's really a simple step to hide them or unhide them. Just right click anywhere on your desktop, select View, Show Desktop Icons. It will bring back all my icons. If you want to hide them again, you can just go back to the same navigation under View and then uncheck the Show Desktop Icons. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Until then, we'll see you next time.